In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your drawings on the TradingView desktop website. Whether you're an old hand at crafting elaborate charts or just getting started, keeping your workspace organized is crucial for clarity and productivity. It helps reduce clutter and ensures you can focus on what's most important, making informed trading decisions. So let's dive right in and look at how you can tidy up those drawings on your charts. First, direct your attention to the right side of your TradingView desktop interface. Here you'll find a vertical toolbar home to many handy functions that enhance your charting experience. We're going to focus on the Object Tree button. This feature is a bit of a hidden gem. It reveals the object tree and data window when clicked. Think of it as your control center for managing all elements on your chart. Go ahead and click it to open up these options. Once you've opened the object tree and data window, you'll notice different sections available for you to explore. Our primary area of interest is the Drawings section. This section is a repository for all saved drawings on your chart, from trend lines to annotations. Give it a click to expand, and you'll see a comprehensive list of your drawing objects unfold before you. It's akin to unrolling a blueprint of your workspace, providing a complete overview of your chart creations at a glance. Now, let's get down to the business of decluttering. To remove any drawing objects and clear them from your chart, simply delete the items listed in this section. It's a straightforward way to clean up visual noise and start fresh if needed. If you have multiple drawings and want a quick all-in-one solution, there's an alternative method that should pique your interest. This method involves the eraser tool, which you'll spot along the top toolbar. This tool is a nifty feature designed for precision erasing, perfect for when targeted deletions are more your style. To use it, start by selecting the eraser tool. Depending on your computer's operating system, you'll then press and hold either the Control key or the Alt key. With the key held down, use your cursor to draw a box around the area where you want to delete all drawings within that box. This approach gives you flexibility, allowing you to selectively remove clutter while preserving other essential components of your chart. So there you have it, a couple of foolproof methods for managing your drawings on the TradingView desktop website. Having a clear and well-organized charting space can make all the difference in your analysis. And now you have the tools to keep yours in top shape. Thanks for watching, and enjoy charting with a little less chaos and a lot more focus.